Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. So, our today's topic is what's in store for you in the year of 2022. Please remember before we start the reading that this is not a this is a general reading. This is not a private reading. Okay, for private reading you can check the description box below. You can email me or you can DM me on Instagram. Okay, or else if you wish to join me on Instagram, you can do that. I have mentioned the link of Divine Energy Tarot in the description box below, guys. So we will not waste much time and we will directly go with your reading. So we have two options in front of us. Option number one is this umbrella. Okay, little cute umbrella. Option number two is this. So yeah, these are my nephews toys. So yeah, option number one, option number two. Okay, so we will start with this option number one. Those who have chose this umbrella, let's see what's in store for you in 2022. So we have received the Three of Pentacles, we have received Ace of Swords, we have received Temperance. I hope you can see all the cards. We have received the Tower, we have received the Strength. Okay, we have received Hermit card. Okay, and and we have also received from Moonology card, a win-win outcome is forecast, full moon in Libra. Believe in the impossible, blue moon. Expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. Nothing will come out of this situation. Nothing will come of this situation. Void, of course, moon. Okay, so 4 cards from Moonology. So first and foremost, which I see, guys, you have been through a lot in your life. You have struggled a lot. You know, words are not enough to say that how much you have struggled. Okay, and you have become a strong because of that. With this Strength card, I can see that you have become very much strong because of your struggle, because of your problems. With this Tower card show that you know, you have been through a lot, and something recent past, something has happened which was very shocking, which was very sudden. In your love life, that's what I am feeling. And for some of you, it was in your family life or some property or home regarding issue. Okay, that's what I'm feeling. Okay, so currently you are going through this hermit journey, you know, antisocial, not like to talk with others, you know, spending time with yourself much, introspecting a lot. Okay, you have got some clarity. So what's in store for you in 2022? So you will get more clarity. And if you are planning for, if you have faced any, you know, property regarding home, regarding or family life regarding issues, that is going to be resolved. Okay, if you want to buy a house, purchase a new home, then I can see there are chances of buying a property. And you are going to have a pet. If you don't have, please excuse my nails. Okay. So, and also you need to believe that anything is possible. Okay, believe in the impossible, blue moon. Expect, and you have to expect powerful change. A win-win outcome is also at forecast, and nothing will come of this situation. So you know, whatever happened to you in the past in regarding to family matter or property matter, or in regards to you know, love life regarding matter, then I am feeling, you know, message for you is that nothing will come of this situation. Just take yourself out from that situation. And you know, after that, you know, you can expect a powerful change in 2022. That is also what I am feeling. What else? So if you're, I also feel that you are going to be, imbalanced mentally, physically, economically, socially, spiritually. Your mind, body, soul will be in alignment. Okay, you will be balanced person. Even after a lot of traumas, and even after a lot of endings, and even after a lot of sudden shocking problems you have faced in your life, ex it can be regarding your ex, it can be regarding your money situation, it can be regarding your home or property situation also. For some of you, I'm feeling it. Okay, so that is going to be resolved and you will be balanced person. That is what I'm feeling. And lot of other clarity also you are going to have, like why this has happened, why this person has cheated you, why endings has been occurring in your life, sudden shock you have faced, why it has why it was, why that person was there, and that person is not right now with you. All those questions which is running in your mind, why you are facing property issue or money regarding issue or home life issue. For example, for some of you, I am also feeling that you feel like you don't have your own home and you want to buy your own home. And you have a lot of questions, and that why it's getting delay, why why I am not able to buy my own house, home, property, own apartment. That is going to resolve, and you are going to get answers that why it was not happening, why it was getting delayed. Even in a relationship matter, I am also feeling, but you need to be very much positive, which I can see you are a positive person, because you have been through a lot, you have become a very strong person. That also that is also what I'm seeing. And you are mentally and emotionally strong in both ways. Okay, for some of you, you might have a cat, or you are seeing a lot of cats these days, or when this transformation is going to come, that time, like big changes is going to happen, that time you might be seeing cat or a lot of cats. And if not, then an owl, a bird. Okay, definitely with this expect powerful change, you are going to have a lot of changes, a big unexpected changes. Okay, so please be positive, don't think that this is not possible. I know you are a positive person, those who's watching this or those who have chose this option, I know you are a positive person. But just come out of the trauma of your past. Like if your ex has cheated you, or if your money issue is very problematic, then come out of the situation, come out of that that energy which is holding you back, mentally which is holding you back. A win-win outcome is focused full moon in Libra. So you might be a Libra sign, or you're dealing with a Libra sign. That is also what I'm feeling. Another signs I am seeing over here is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and a Leo, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius as well. Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini signs I am seeing. Okay, Libra strongly I am feeling, and Leo strongly I am feeling, and also Sagittarius and Capricorn. Okay. For some of you, you might be dealing with a water sign, or you have been dealing with a water sign. I hope my camera angle is correct and you are able to, I hope you can see me properly. So some of you might be dealing with a Libra sign or a water sign as well. Okay, I am feeling it. We will also see the charms. This is my charm bag. I'll pull out random charms for you, randomly. Let's see. So okay, I also feel that you might be seeing a lot of angel numbers, and in 2022 you are going to actually get that meaning or manifestation why you are seeing such angel numbers, or particular angel numbers. Okay. Also I am feeling with this wish card, I this is it's written I love you, and backside it's written wish. So divine is giving you sign, divine is giving you chance, angels are giving you sign that you can write down your wishes, okay, and it is going to be fulfilled in 2022. Because right now, in past, recent past, you have been through a trauma moment, you have been through a shocking endings. So now it's a clear slate, blank book, blank paper. You can now write your wish, all the wishes, desires, and it is going to be fulfilled in 2022. And you will also get to know why you were seeing such particular angel numbers, like 111, 100, 1010, 101, 001. So those sort of angel numbers you might be seeing, then you'll get to know the meaning and idea of those angel numbers, that why you have been seeing those numbers, okay. See, Libra sign. In charm we have received the Libra sign. If you can see, I'll just show you. I'll just a second. Libra sign, if you can see, focus. Yeah. So Libra sign, you can be, or you might be dealing with that person is very charming, or your personality is also can be very charming. That is also what I am feeling. Initial we have received V, only V initial we have received. So I feel like this is the sign of victory. You are going to get victorious in your project, in your business, in your money, in your career situation, whatever you are working on right now. You are going to get successful, you are going to get victorious, okay. If you have been planning for buying a house, or buying a property, or having some sort of land, or you want to build a home, family of your own, like wants to get married or committed, or wants to have child or children, then I am seeing you will get victory in that, okay. Right now I am seeing a lot of single people are watching this. If you are single and you want somebody, you are going to get that person, okay, in 2022. Finally in 2022 you are going to get that person. You have been very much patient till now, and your patience going to give you reward finally, and your wish is going to be fulfilled with this star sign. So some of you might be an Aquarius sign also. I am feeling with this star, I am definitely telling you your wish is going to be fulfilled in 2022, specifically and especially regarding your love life, and regarding your home life, okay. 1986 might be important year. Maybe somebody is born in 1986 who's watching this, or 10 number might be important to you. And this also shows me that your one cycle has been completed, okay. Yeah, which with this tower card also I am feeling one cycle has been completed. You have entered into a new cycle, and if not, then I am seeing in 2022 completely you will be entering into the new cycle, okay. Some of you I am feeling you might get famous. So you will I also feel like in 2022 you will be concentrating on your looks. You will be focused on your how you look, what you wear, the jewelry, or I don't know, jewelry, earrings. If you are male watching this, you'll take care of your hairstyle, hair color, or looks, or I don't know, beard. So something like that. And if you are female, then I feel like definitely female or male, you are going to concentrate on your looks more, because you are going to get fame and name. You'll be more focused on your looks, okay, particularly what you wear, what you carry, and how you carry yourself. Those sort of things I am feeling in 2022 for you. Definitely for some of you I am feeling you are already working on you are working in TV serials, or some sort of series, or some sort of news channel, or you are a YouTuber, or you work as a model, or you work as you are an actor, producer, director, something regarding camera, or you can be a journalist, or you can be cameraman, something regarding camera you are doing. Those who chose this option, some of you I am feeling definitely you will work in camera field, like actor, like journalist, like model, like YouTuber, or like for example, like you work with in a TV series or some sort of TV serial, or you working with some sort of production house. I don't know why I felt that. So you are going to get actual success and fame in that. That is why you are going to, that is why you are going to be very much focused on your looks, how do you look, what do you wear, how you carry yourself, those sort of things. Okay. Some of you might be living in foreign countries like Canada, like I'm seeing America, I'm seeing Canada, I'm seeing France, I'm seeing India. Some of you might be living in India. Okay. Those who has chose this option. Also, if you might have felt in this 2000 this year, you might have felt that nothing is progressing, nothing is blossoming. I feel like in 2022 you are going to grow, in the sense of your family is going to be expanding, your career is going to grow or expanding. That is what I'm feeling. Your life is overall going to be blossom. Some of you, I am also seeing you might join some sort of political party. Yeah, like camera regarding, like just now I've said, like camera, you work with something, you do something regarding camera, you work with camera regarding field. Like for example, you are a YouTuber, or for example, you work with a news channel or news reporter or news anchor, or you work in a films, or you work in a TV series, or you work in a OTP series, something like that. So, or you are a social media influencer. For some of you, I am feeling you might be a political figure uh, who's watching this. If not, if you are interested, then I am seeing in 2022 you are going to join any political party, or you are going to become a politician or something regarding politics. I am feeling you are going to join some sort of political party, or you are going to do something uh, for for citizens, that uh, after that you'll become famous and something like that. So political parties also, I am seeing you might join some sort of political party, some of you. Okay. And that is going to be successful. If you are working on that, it is going to give you success. Okay. And if I also feel you have been feeling stuck, like mentally, energy in your energetic field is like stuck in past. Maybe you are thinking about your ex, maybe you are thinking about your family issues, or property issues, or depends on what issue you might have, depends on your situation. So you are feeling stuck, mentally stuck. Okay. Physically that problem is might be over, and if not over, then in 2022 it is going to be over. And if you are feeling stuck mentally or energetically, then I am seeing in 2022 angels going to be free you. Angels are going to free you from that stuck situation. That is also what I am feeling. Some of you want to go to USA. I don't know why I am feeling. Some of you want to go to Hong Kong. Some of you want to go to Singapore. I am feeling it. And others of you, I am feeling you need stability in your life. Right now you are not stable. You feel like my career is not settled, or I don't have family, or my home life situation is very very disturbed, and I a lot of interference and disturb energy. You feel somebody is interfering, then that is going to be resolved. That is also what I am feeling with this pile. So these are your charm and advice and tarot card reading. Final advice is for you is that believe in the impossible. Okay, because you are going to you are going to face powerful changes, and win-win outcome is also 4 cards. So that is what I feel for you, pile 1. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know. And thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye, guys. Namaste. Hola. Bye. Sorry. Bye. Namaste. So now let's see those who have chose this option number 2. Let's see what's in store for you for 2022. Let's see. We have received the 10 of Wands. We have received the 10 of Cups. Ooh, wow. 10 of Wands, 10 of Cups. We have received Page of Pentacles. We have received Knight of Wands. We have received 2 of Swords. I am also feeling 10 of Swords. I don't know why I am feeling 10 of Swords. Okay, so one cycle is definitely completed. 10 number. You might have chose very few people I am feeling you might have chose option number 1 as well. You have received the Magician, the World, oh my god, and the King of Wands. Ooh. This card, this pile has maximum tarot cards I have received in this pile. Another is, it's time to release negativity. Sorry. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Again. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Adjustments are required. Third quarter moon. So some of you need to adjust. Step out of your comfort zone. Note. So some of you are stuck with your past or past life cycle. Okay. Sorry. So what's in store for you in 2022? Okay. Some of you might be married. Married people are watching. Okay. And but still you are not happy with your married life. Then it is going to resolve in 2022. That is our first thing I am seeing over here. For some of you, if you are single, then you are going to get married. You are going to have children or a child, okay, in 2022. That is also what I'm feeling. And your one cycle has been completed. 10 you might be seeing on 10 10 numbers, or 10 number, or 1 number, 0 number. You might be seeing such numbers or combination of such numbers. Give me a moment. This pile, those who have chose this pile, you people are very good magicians, in the sense you can achieve whatever you wish to have. You can manifest also easily and very fast. You are also a manipulative person. You can positive as well as negative. You can, if you want to, for example, if you want to influence someone positively, you can do that. Okay, if you want to influence someone negatively, you can do that also, that as well. So you guys are magician, okay, great magician. And I am also seeing you have that manifestation power. I hope you can see. Just a second. So you have that magician power. I am also seeing you are going to travel in 2022. Next year you are going to travel out of country, wherever you wanted to go. If that was your dream, that you want to visit this particular place or this particular country, then it is going to be fulfilled in 2022. And for some of you, I am feeling you are confused which path to choose. Okay, that confusion is going to be removed out of your life in 2022. And if you have been stuck in some sort of family drama or marriage life drama, and you are like feeling like you want to get out of this responsibility, and you are tired, then you are going to be having solution of your problems. If it is regarding marriage life or drama regarding marriage life, or a lot of dramas are going on in your family, you have a lot of responsibility, then it is going to be resolved, or at least you will find the solution in 2022. Okay, That is what I'm feeling. And you'll be, if you want to really work on your marriage partnership, then it is going to be resolved, and you are going to have happy family life, and happy, your child will be happy, your children will be happy. uh, and you might plan, if you already have one baby, then one child, one baby, then you might plan for another baby, another child. That is also what I'm feeling for some of you, those who's married and they have dramas in, they have a lot of trouble and drama in married life. For those I'm talking about, okay. And I hope I am not confusing you, I'm clear with my words. I hope I am making you understand whatever I am listening and whatever energy I am getting from this pile, okay. But the advice for you is that it's time to release negativity. You need to release negativity definitely, and you need to come out of your comfort zone, okay, which is which has been going, that cycle has been going since your past life, or from your this lifetime, but from your past, okay. And also adjustment, if you are married, then adjustments are required definitely. You also need to adjust few things. Only one, while you are you have a partner and you are married, then it's a responsibility of both partners. Only one partner cannot run a relationship, only one partner cannot run a family, okay. So it's your responsibility. If you are running from your responsibility, then it is your, you need to take charge of your responsibility, okay. Adjustments, that is why adjustments are required for you. And for those who is single, a new romantic cycle is going to begin, okay. Signs I am seeing over here, just a second: Scorpio, Libra, Leo, Taurus, Aries, Sagittarius. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius strongly I am feeling, okay. Libra I'm feeling, Scorpio also I'm feeling, and Cancer, Pisces as well. Almost every sign is there, but mostly I'm feeling like Scorpio, Libra, Sagittarius, Aries, Taurus, and which are fixed signs I'm feeling: Taurus, Leo, Scorpio. Those sort of fixed signs I'm feeling, okay. Another thing I am seeing, if you're worried about your child's education or your child's health or your child's future, then you are going to find solution in 2022. And if you are planning that you want to, your child, or you want to study abroad, or you want to work abroad, that is going to happen in 2022. That is also what I'm feeling. You might be planning for going out of country, to study, for education purpose, or for study purpose, or for work purpose. Then I am seeing it can happen in 2022, okay. For some of you, if you have been very much flirty and in and out of someone's life, or somebody else is doing that, then it is going to be resolved, okay. If you are doing this, then I feel like stability will come in your life, okay. You will be stopped doing this, and you'll choose one partner, and you'll not be flirty anymore. And if somebody else is doing this to you, then you are going to find the resolution for that. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius signs also I am seeing. Once again I am telling you, strongly I am seeing, okay. If somebody is acting very immaturely, if this is you or if this is another person, then maturity is going to come. Somewhat maturity is going to come in them. If you are that person, then you are going to get maturity definitely. You will have some sort of maturity, how to handle family, how to get stable, how to get married to one partner and be loyal to them whole life. Those sort of maturity, emotional maturity you are going to have. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also I'm seeing strongly, very strongly, okay. We have charms with us. Now we will pull out randomly few charms. What's in store for you in 2022? I feel like those who have chose this option, you have got big dreams. That is what I am feeling. You have got big dreams. Okay. So yeah, those who want to get married, who is single and who want to get married, it is going to happen in 2022. Those who have already a child and want to plan another child, that is going to happen. Those who is planning for first baby, that is going to happen. Those who want to, I feel like, come out of family drama and remove negativity from your marriage life or married life, then I'm seeing that is going to happen for those. And if you are single watching this, then there are chances you'll find someone to be committed to. Okay. Mm. See, I am also seeing with this charm that you are going, if you are worried about your child, I am seeing, like their, for their education, or like for their about their they're settling down in abroad, or about their health, then it is going to be resolved. Okay, if you are planning for a baby, it is going to happen. Okay, any issue or any problem regarding your child or baby, it is going to, you are going to find answers in 2022. Okay, even and if you are planning, if you want to plan a baby, it is going to happen. Okay. I'm also feeling you are going to have twins. For some of you, I'm feeling you are going to have twins. Okay, or if you already have a single child, one child, then I'm feeling another baby you are going to plan. Okay, so that is also what I'm feeling. So 2 children you will have. Some of you I'm feeling, or you already have, those who's watching this. And if you have only one child, then another child is on the way, or it is going to happen in 2022. Okay, initial we have received D. Okay, initial we have received D. Okay. Okay. For some of you, I am seeing December month is important. Okay, or it will be important in 2022. I am also feeling Christmas time. Christmas time will be important to you. Maybe your birthday is in December or November end, or Christmas time will be important for you. December month is very important for you. I am feeling like that. Okay, and also I am feeling that Christmas time is also very much important to you. Okay. Okay, for some of you, you want to have success, but it is, you are not able to find it. I am feeling with this horse charm, you want to have success in your life, but you are not able to find success. For that, I will suggest you to wait for some time, and you might be getting some good news in 2022. Okay, in whatever area, whichever area you want to have, you want to get success. Okay, it is going to expand. Okay, if you, for example, you want success in your job, in your career, it is going to expand. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, but with this Wheel of Fortune charm, let me tell you, whatever is going to happen, it will be all good. Okay, because divine is planning your life, so whatever is going to happen, it is all going to get become very good. For some of you, you might settled you might want to settle in a place like for example, near beach. You want to buy a house near beach, or you want to go you want to travel, you will travel on water, like through ship, or through in a cruise or something like that, or you'll settle down in a beach area. So I am feeling you want to settle down abroad also. For some of you, I'm feeling. Okay, for some of you, if you are very dominating in nature, then I am seeing you will find some sort of if people are like saying that you are very dominating, and you also feel like you like to dominate, then I am feeling like there will be some sort of reciprocation of it. So be aware if you are very dominating. So try to change your nature. If you are too much dominating, too much controlling, try to change that nature, okay? And if you are trying and if you want to change yourself, like you know that you are very dominating and you want to change yourself, then you will improve in this in the month of December in 2022. That is also what I am feeling, okay? Or else in 2022 you are going to change. Some of you, I would suggest you to have a pet, okay? Please, this is the strong message. You should have a pet, a cat. Maybe because I am also feeling you have a strong fire sign and your spirit animal is a cat. I am feeling. I am also feeling those who have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in their birth chart, or those who have strong fire element, like you are very aggressive, you get very angry, or like you have a lot of excitement. Then you should have a pet as a cat as your pet, okay? That is a strong message for you because it is your spirit animal. I am feeling like that. And for some of you, you should have a horse as a pet if it is allowed in your country, or spend time with cat or horse if it is possible for you, okay? You might be expecting some sort of good news in month of December. I am feeling December month, it is very highlighting. So I feel like I am shooting this video in November end. So like this December month will be so important, will be also important for you, and next year's 2022's December month also will be very much important for you. And if you are expecting some sort of good news in regarding your career, then it is you are going to have it, okay? You are going to receive it, okay? Good news. And the advice for you is that like adjustments are required. First thing, if you are in a relationship or if you are married, okay? And if you are single, then the advice for you is that new romantic cycle is going to begin, okay? And if you like stuck in a past, or you are stuck in your comfort zone, you don't want to do anything else, you are just doing all that robotic daily work, like go to sleep, then in morning wake up, and then go to office, go to work, and then come and then eat, and then go to sleep. And if this is your daily cycle, daily routine, then you need to change it, okay? Come out of your comfort zone, okay? And release negativity. Scorpio or Libra sign will be important to you in 2022. And if you are single or not single, or married or committed or complicated situation, or if you have problem in career, in money, in family, in business, in job, or any sort of problem you have in your life, the final solution and advice for you is that think from your heart, okay? Listen to your heart, listen to your inner guidance. Listen to your heart, listen to your inner guidance, and listen to do as your heart says. Don't be too logical. If you are already very much logical person or practical person, then this is the advice for you. Listen to your heart, give time to your emotions, give time to yourself, give time, listen, and take time for your heart, what your heart is saying, okay? What your soul is saying, okay? So listen to your heart, it will be a perfect decision for you. It will not give you wrong advice. So listen to your heart, okay? Listen to your heart, listen to your soul. That is your solution. If you are facing any issue in any area of your life, then this is the advice for you, that please listen to your heart, you listen to your soul, and do as per your heart says. Do what as your heart says, that and you'll find that you are improving in your career, or in your personal life and professional life. So this is what I feel for you in 2022. And for small percentage, I am feeling your with this wheel of fortune charm, I am feeling your life is going to be changed. It is going to be changed completely. Like if you are down, you are going to go up. okay, and those who's up already and who is very prideful of their money or their culture or their status. If you are very much prideful, or you dominate others because of that, or you have status issue, status reputation issue, then you are going to fall down in 2022. If you are very much dominating, and if you are very much not treating others properly or not treating animals properly, then you are going to see the fall down. But if you already are a very humble person, very down to earth person, then you are going to rise like anything. So if with this wheel of fortune charm, if you are down, it is going to be up. Okay, so that wheel is going to be in your favor. Okay, so that is what I'm feeling. I hope I am not disturbing you much with my hairs with so, with my hair. So yeah, hope I haven't confused you. So anyway, this is what I feel for you guys. You are my family, and thank you so much. Namaste. And I want to say, last but not the least, life is what we make it, life is what I make it. So always remember that you are your creator and you create the world. Okay, and also we have the free will of whatever we wish to do. Okay, and you create your own life. So yeah, life is what we make it. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. And please remember, this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. For personal reading, you can check the description box below. Guys, thank you so much, and I hope my camera angle has not bothered you much. And thank you so much. Namaste. Bye bye, guys. Hope to see you in my next video.